Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for ProShares UltraPro Short QQQ. The report was first published on our website Friday, June 17, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell ProShares UltraPro Short QQQ? In this video you will get insight in both the technical and the fundamental situation in addition to future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Our systems currently rank the ProShares UltraPro Short QQQ stock with a 2.080 score, and our system has ranked ProShares UltraPro Short QQQ by candidate since June 9, 2022. If you were following our analysis, you would have had an amazing gain of 25.34% since we first told you to buy ProShares UltraPro Short QQQ 7 days ago. This is an average return of 3.62% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for ProShares UltraPro Short QQQ, our last headline reads, weaker technical forecast for ProShares UltraPro Short QQQ as stock downgraded to buy candidate. The ProShares UltraPro Short QQQ stock price fell by -3.22% on the last day, Friday, June 17, 2022, from $66.09 to $63.96. During the day the stock fluctuated 7.97% from a day low at $62.09 to a day high of $67.04. The price has been going up and down for this period, and there has been a 33.36% gain for the last 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by -7 million shares and in total, 123 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $7.85 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $67.69, and the lowest price was $5.99. Right now the price is 5.51%, or $3.73, below 52-week high and 92.09%, or $744.51, below all-time high March 12, 2020 where the price hit $808.47. The stock lies in the upper part of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at $66.52 will firstly indicate a stronger rate of rising. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 69.46% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 33.19% and 77.81%. The 12-month trend indicates a 13.37% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -80.67% and 18.76%. This equals a price between $12.37 and $75.96 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for ProShares UltraPro Short QQQ. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. The ProShares UltraPro Short QQQ stock holds by signals from both short and long-term moving averages giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $60.69 and $53.27. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, June 16, 2022, and so far it has fallen -3.22%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume fell together with the price during the last trading day, and this reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 121 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 8 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart. gave a buy signal 6 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 52 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 45 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for ProShares UltraPro Short QQQ. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $58.76 and $53.65. There is natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, ProShares UltraPro Short QQQ finds support just below today's level at $58.76. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $53.65 and $49.81. This stock may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $4.95 between high and low, or 7.97%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 8.18%. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, ProShares UltraPro Short QQQ meets first resistance at $64.21. If you do not hold ProShares UltraPro Short QQQ shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, ProShares UltraPro Short QQQ finds first level of support at $58.76, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. Our recommended stop loss is $60.87, minus 4.82%. This stock has very high daily movements, and this gives very high risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 1 day ago. Is ProShares UltraPro Short QQQ stock a buy? Several short-term signals, along with a general good trend, are positive, and we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for ProShares UltraPro Short QQQ stock to perform well in the short term. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a strong buy to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Tuesday 21st, we expect ProShares UltraPro Short QQQ to open up 40 cents and start trading at $64.36. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Remember that anyone leaving a company stand the chance of winning a lifetime subscription worth $495 to our services. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.